Firefighting aircraft can be critical to battling wildfires.
Delta 43 Tango.
But they're no help if they're sitting on the ground. And if a drone is spotted around or near the fire, that is exactly where they will stay. When they're grounded, our planes and helicopters can't drop water or fire retardant. Giving the fire room and time to grow could result in the loss of homes and property, and lives could be at risk. Firefighting is dangerous work, and unmanned aircraft make it even more dangerous. That's because drones fly at low altitudes, just like our aircraft, creating the very real potential for a mid-air collision that could injure or kill our pilots in the sky and our firefighters on the ground. So, we're asking for your help. Don't make our jobs even more dangerous. For up-to-date information on wildfire-restricted fly zones, download the Before You Fly app on your mobile device. And check out knowbeforeyouFly.org. Join with us to protect our homes, our families, our communities, and our firefighters. Remember, if you fly, we can't.